I have a Craftsman Propane powered weed whacker, with a Lehr engine or pull starter. The screws vibrated loose and the pull started came loose. I'd like to view and print a drawing or picture of an assembly. There is an odd piece of spring steel that I can't figure out where it goes.
Hi, I'm Wayne. I will help you with this. Good morning. Hope this helps.
No, the explosion drawing does not help. I need to see the opposite side of the recoil pull starter.
Hello, does this help?
Thank you. XXXXXXXXXX what I needed to see. Now I can reassemble correctly.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.